Hey guys, it's been a minute. I haven't seen you in a while. Honestly, life is busy. I'm in grad school and working, and there's a lot going on. But I came in today to talk about my locks and any changes I've experienced since I've had this color. I'm going to talk about has there been damage, has there not been damage, any changes in the texture of my hair, length checks, and some of the things I'm experiencing at this point in my journey. So stay tuned for this update. All right, guys. So I have my other phone for some notes. So if I look down again, you know how I do. I like to keep myself on track. So the first thing is length check before we hop into like the color. If you haven't seen me in a while, the last one I posted was I want to say around my birthday. So it's actually, guys, been like about 5 weeks since I posted my last video. So in the last 5 weeks, this is the progress. As you can see, I'm actually seeing even more hang time. This is the other side. Try to straighten it out for you. And some of the difference that I'm noticing in length is a couple things. One is, let me take this off for a second so you can see. When I actually have, excuse me guys, my hair is sitting here now. Like I think the last video I was talking about it tickling my collarbone. It's still tickling, but I have some that are actually resting completely on my collarbone, which I'm so excited about. And I actually have a bobby pin right here, so let me give you a full idea of my hair. So if there's no bobby pin in, this is the fullness. But I like to tuck it behind and put like a little strand or two there. But anyways, guys, so let's talk about my hair. So that's my length check. My bang is even getting longer. We're down here. So I am definitely seeing the progress. If you go back and see some of my older videos or really want to see some throwback, go back to my Instagram and you'll see where my hair was up here. So I am definitely excited. And by the way, I hit 2 years the end of March. So it's the April, May, June. So we're about 2 years and 3 months into my journey right now if you're new to my channel. Now, on to other things. I got color again on April the 18th, I want to say, guys. And I've had so many people asking me, well, is it safe? How's it been? What has been your experience since the color? What do you do to help keep your locks healthy? So, thus far, I have experienced no damage to my locks as a result of the color. And I attribute that to several reasons. One, we did not use bleach, as mentioned in my past video. I also make sure to keep my locks moisturized. About every day to every other day, I spray my hair with the concoction I always talk about in my videos. You know, the aloe vera juice or the aloe vera juice water and olive oil mixture to keep my hair supple. I do not want the color drying my hair out. And I do believe that even though my hair is light, it's only so light you can probably go without getting too risky. So, yes. I feel confident that you can get color with your locks if you follow the rules. I will say this, guys, in reference to color. One thing that I made sure to do is to not try to mimic someone else's color. I did the color that we thought that my hair could take while also still being what I wanted. I would have gone lighter than this. But honestly, that would have not been good for my hair because I have fine hair. So you got to find the balance between what you want and what you need. Now, moving on past color. If you want to know, by the way, what color I use, I'll try to find the video and post that up here so you can know the exact details on the color, the brand, and whatnot that I use, okay? Now, as far as other updates, what am I noticing about my locks? They are getting better with time, guys. If you can tell, each of my locks has fully locked to the ends, as I mentioned in my last video, as well as, guys, like literally when I say my hair is truly get up and go hair. You'll think that you're doing well at a certain point in your locks, but they honestly get better with time. Seriously, it's amazing. In addition, I've also noticed that I can do things that I was never able to do. For example, I took my daughter to Six Flags and White Waters a couple of weeks ago. And I was at the water park. And for the first time, I was able to get into the water, fully submerge my hair. I'm talking about like fully submerge my hair, like as I wanted to. Sometimes it was in a pony. Sometimes it was loose, however I felt. And my hair looked fine. My hair doesn't shrink anymore. You heard me. It doesn't shrink anymore. And I literally got in the pool, drove home. By the time I got back home, a couple of hour drive, my hair was dry and my hair looked normal. I was literally able to go out that night if I wanted to, and my hair still look okay. Now, you cannot tell me that that is not phenomenal. Now, even though my hair's been locked for a while, I don't know if I would have gotten those type of results a year in. I'm telling you, this 2-year mark is really hitting with some things to look forward to if you're new in your journey. Oh, and one thing I would also point out about my length, kind of pigging back for a second. The other day, guys, I noticed I could put my hair into a ponytail at the top of my hair. I've been able to do ponytails for a minute, but at the very top of my hair, and all the shorter hairs in the back fit. It used to be I would have, a couple that would like fall out, or I would need bobby pins. Now this is great. So I can have me a full enough pony that's high and not lose hairs. So that also shows progress with my length. Besides that, guys, that was pretty much it. This is a very simple update, other than things are just continuing to get better with time. I have not experienced any damage. I'm experiencing some of the full benefits of being fully locked. As far as this summer, my hair will be getting wet in the pool, at the water park, water guns, the shower. I don't know. I'm just going to wet it up, because after seeing how my hair can get wet and still be okay, I'm feeling good about it. So if you have any questions, guys, I did not address in this quick update, please put them in the comments and I will get back to you. And if you've not liked and subscribed, I would love for you to. And if you're also not following me on Instagram at Microlocs and more, that's AND more, I would love to see you there as well. And you can see my journey from probably about a month in all the way up to current day. As I always say, have a good day.